Hello, boys and girls. This activity is for Fluency 2, and this is a review activity of all the concepts about shapes that we have been learning about. So for number 1, you need to color the shapes using the key. Write how many of each shape there are on the line. So over here is our key. And so this one says yellow circles. So you're going to look over here in this picture and see, where are my circles? And wherever you see a circle, you're going to color it yellow. After you have colored all the circles, over here on this line, you're going to write how many circles you colored. Next, B, is you're going to look for all the rectangles. Any rectangle that you find, you're going to color red. Rectangles are going to be red. After you have colored all your rectangles, you're going to write on the line how many rectangles you colored. C is triangles. So over here, color all the triangles blue. After you have colored every triangle blue that is in this picture only, write on the line how many you colored. D is for trapezoids. So any trapezoid you see in this picture, you're going to color green. And then write how many you colored on the line. E is hexagons. So any hexagon that you see within this shape or the picture, you're going to color black. And then write how many hexagons you colored black on the line. The last one, F, is for rhombuses. Rhombuses that you see in the picture, you're going to color orange. After you have colored any rhombuses that you see in the picture orange, then you're going to write the total on the line. Remember all of the attributes of each of those shapes before you color. Number 2, is the shape a triangle? If it is, write yes on the line. If it is not, explain why it is not a triangle on the line. So letter A, look at this shape, and if it is a triangle, then you're going to write yes on the line. If it's not, you're going to write no and then tell why is it not a triangle. B, again, you're going to do the same thing. Write yes if it is a triangle, write no if it is not a triangle, and then you must explain why it is not if you write no. C, look at it. Is this a triangle? Yes if it is. Write no if it is not, and then you must explain why it is not a triangle if you write no. D, is it a triangle? Write yes or no. If you write no, remember you have to explain why it is not a triangle. Before you write yes or no, be sure you think of all the attributes that it makes a triangle a triangle.